Hi, and welcome back to Unite Berlin. Last night we showed a bunch of awesome games that are made with Unity in the keynote. We've got some of those people here, so we're going to head onto the show floor and check them out. We're here at the Made with Unity area. This is one of the things we saw last night in the keynote. This is an actual physical set from the game Harold Halibut. So you can see they build and paint these whole sets by hand, and then they take it and capture it in with photogrammetry. So here we have the environment, and then here we actually have the character. And you can look at these guys, just the attention to detail is amazing. So in addition to the main talks in the theaters, we've got our mini theater here set up on the show floor. It's a great opportunity to just drop in, ask your questions, and learn about a feature. Another great thing about Unite is that it's a chance to come and connect with our partners. We've got Nintendo here, Sony, Microsoft, Oculus, and so you can come and learn about how to develop for their platforms. So thank you so much for joining us. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what it's like to be here at Unite Berlin, and we cannot wait to see you in October in LA.